Hi guys, see this, the 2019 Hot Wheels Nissan Skyline GTR. I'm really excited. I'm just gonna unbox it and show you. You all know. So excited, man. This is the 2019, the latest of the Hot Wheels. Nicey. Look at this. So I'm gonna take it out. See, I opened it. So this is the R32. See, it's R32. Alright, so no detailing in the front. Yep, no detailing in the front. See the wheels. This is beautiful. This is not the R30. It's like the R33. I have the R33, but this is really beautiful. I mean, this has detailing. See the back. And the back has something, right? The back has what it says, Skyline. It says Skyline GTR. See, it says Skyline GTR. I'm gonna zoom that. Yep, there. See, there's a GTR Skyline. It says, I think it's Nissan there. Maybe, I don't know. Yep, it's Nissan. And there's a silencer. This is a beautiful piece. See, Yokohama. Worth to have this, you know. One of the best pieces. It's like the R33. It's not the R33, it's the R32. See? So bye.